Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy a sheet in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Copying a sheet in Smartsheet allows you to create duplicates for various purposes, such as creating versions for different stages of a project, making backups, or customizing templates. Now, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, navigate to the sheet you want to copy, okay? In my case, this is going to be the file, and then from here, now in the menu, okay, go to File, click on it, and select Save as New. This will open the Save as New dialog box where you can name and save your new sheet. In my case, I'm gonna rename it as second version. And you have all these options. You can save it on the, if you're working with multiple folders or workspaces, you might want to choose it from here. But in this instance, I'm gonna use a deep laughs for now. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now, the sharing option is very important because you can, of course, check the box for sharing. You have the automated workflow and alert options. That includes recipients and permissions settings. Now, you can choose to preserve the destination for workflows that copy or move rows to other sheets. If you don't want that, just click on Do Not Preserve Destination and disable workflow. You also have an option for the data and formatting options, wherein you can check all these boxes, sheet data and formatting, comments, attachments, cell links, and a lot more. Once you're happy with that, click on Save. And there's going to be the second version that we have created. Now, for us to be able to create another version or the third version of this file, just go to the browse first. You see, I have worked with the sheets. Okay. I'm going to click on the deep laughs. You see, there's just going to be the first version and the second version. Now, what I wanted to is to create a third version out of the second version. Check the box. You have the actions here and save as new, or right click, save as new. You have two options. I'm going to click on the save as new and I'm going to name it as a third version. Remember earlier, we have the sharing options. Now, I don't want to choose the sharing because we choose that earlier. On the automated workflow, I'm gonna click on Do Not Preserve and Do Not Include Recipients and Permission Settings. And on the date formatting, I'm not gonna include all of these because this is the third version that I wanted in my case. All right. Now, having multiple versions of a sheet allows you to keep track of changes over time, making it easier to revert to previous versions if needed. Because multiple versions can serve as backup or records, helping you review past projects, states, or decisions. You can also experiment with the data. Now, I find it very useful if I'm working with multiple freelancers, clients at the same time. It helps me to track progress separately for each phase or milestone. And that is, it ensures consistency across projects by using standardized templates for similar types of work. You see, I have now the first, second, and third version wherein creating copies of a sheet provides different versions for clients so that they can review, reflect specific aspects of the project as needed. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.